sugar bug.
Quick, grab your toothbrush. Let's chase him away.
1, 2, 3, go!
Brushy, brushy, left and right. Chase the sugar bug out of sight. Front and back and round and round. Healthy teeth are safe and sound. 2 whole minutes, don't you stop. Brushy, brushy, to the top. Start at the front, nice and slow. Up and down and watch the bubbles grow.
Now reach way back, don't you stop.
Scrub those molars, top to top.
P2, hooray! Spin it round, hooray, hooray, the sugar bug has run away.
Brushy, brushy, left and right. Chase the sugar bug out of sight. Healthy teeth are safe and sound. You're a star! Turn around! Great job, Brusher!